All righty, this is a session recap for the first day of February. Don't forget, this is Valentine's Day. Let me get rid of this up here. I'll leave that on. I need those pips. All right, so we're pushing down right here, going into this area right here. Most likely, it's not proven until they break that support, but they're really trying to break it, as you can see. Most likely, we're going to go down. So we're going to go with dollar weakness, although it's not proven yet. All right, so dollar weakness would mean euro to the upside, and euro is almost the target right now, right there. And let me get the ATR up here. And ATR, euro dollar ATR is, let me get this big, 62 pip ATR. That target is at 108.42. Watch for 60 pips up in this area tonight if dollar keeps going down. Oh yeah, groundhog day tomorrow. That's right. All right, pound dollar made the turn already, and it's almost the target also. Target is at 27.03. We're just 14, 15 pips shy of that right now. And pound dollar has a 77 pip ATR. Dollar Swissy follows that dollar index, and sure enough, it's pushing down. Target is at 82.85, and dollar Swissy has an ATR of 61 pips. Dollar yen, tried to trade this all morning. When we finally got a proof that was going down, we didn't have 55 pips left. All right. Now, advanced trader can take it up here if they're sure of their analysis, because it's only never more than 1/3 of your lots. All right. So if you did that, you're in great shape to the downside. All right. So dollar yen, the target is 145.92 with 120 pip ATR. Aussie dollar, right down to its target. Right now, it should be reversing. It is, so watch for it to go up. Wait for 5 o'clock, you'll get a new ATR. Aussie dollar has only a 54 pip ATR, so hard to trade it. All right, euro yen blog post this morning. It is coming down. We should have a couple of traders in it. We don't have enough room to trade it now, but we should have got some in up there. And the target is 158, holding for 150 to 1618 fib down here. And euro yen has 115 pip ATR. So watch for tonight down in here. Now, remember, this is going to be a problem because the structure is down on the euro yen, but it's correlated to go against the dollar. The dollar is going down. So you always have a risk here that this pull down here is a B wave to do a C wave up. So be cautious. Right? Pound yen. Pound yen finished down to the S5 and it's over. Then it bounced pretty hard. And it's still below the zero line break, so we're still going down. And again, that's the same thing as with the euro yen and the dollar. Pound yen has an ATR of 129 pips. All right, so be careful. All right, New Zealand dollar to the pip to its ATR, made the turn. Wait for 5 o'clock, you'll get a new ATR up in here. It's got a low ATR. It's only 53 pips right there. All right, over to Aussie yen. It went down to target, and we did get lots of traders in it. And the average trader did make 63 pips, but that's their largest. They made more than that. Everybody pressed their winners. Right to the 2.618. I wonder if they knew where it was. All right. So Aussie yen ATR is 60 pips. Nice job, everybody. Euro Aussie to the pip to its ATR. All right. And it's making the turn down right now. And we're still a buyer here above this line. We'll be a buyer, and we're waiting to see if it bounces up. All right. So the dollar's coming down now. Dollar went up last night. It went up last night. Dollar's coming down. It's coming down. So it may be back into correlation. We don't have enough data to know that, but at least for right now it is. 107 pip ATR, wait for 5 o'clock, get a new target, 107 pips to the downside if it keeps going down. Same thing here on the pound Aussie. Pound Aussie up to target, 111 pips to the pip to it. Put in an extra, that means that the ATR will go up to probably 115 tonight. All right, it's now coming down. You got to turn, you got to turn, you got to turn, you got to turn, you got to turn. Most likely following the dollar index down, wait for 5 o'clock, get a new ATR of 111 pips once that happens. Euro New Zealand, okay, also up to its target, no problem. Took out the 1,000 right above it. This is why you hold at the limit and hold for the 1,000. All right, if it's reversed, you hold at the 1,000 and hold for the ATR, whatever it is. All right, Euro New Zealand, and ATR is 127 pips. All right, watch for it to come back down now as it follows that dollar. Wait for 5 o'clock, get a new ATR about 127 pips to the downside. Same thing happened on pound New Zealand, went up to its target. Now they're reversing. We'll see where it ends up down in here tonight. Pound New Zealand got an ATR of 141 pips. New Zealand yen right down to its target, no problems. Got a low ATR, unfortunately. It's a nice little currency to trade, but it's got 55 pips, and that's all she's got. All right. Watch for 55 pips to the downside. All right, I can't trade Aussie Swissy or Aussie New Zealand because their ATRs are too low. Euro pound, the same thing. Pound Swissy just going sideways in a nasty little move right in here. You can see it, pretty nasty looking right there. All right, but we did come in at going down, so we are expecting to come down into here tonight once it gets going. All right, it'd be nice to trade it off the top there is what you really want to do is trade it up here to the target after 5 o'clock. All right, pound Swissy ATR is only 56 pips, so it's tough to trade it. All right. All righty, there you go. Don't forget, non-farm payroll in the morning, B flat, B flat, B flat. All right, that's it.